Hey everyone, this is Christopher. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing for you, and these will be some shoes. This is also something that I got in Hawaii while I was on vacation in March. So love, love, love Hawaii. What I did love about Hawaii was I found a lot of great items, great prices, and was able to get additional discounts and incentives and benefits as well. Anyway, let's get started. But before I do, please subscribe if you haven't already. Comment below in the comment section. Like the video, share it with all of your friends, and invite them to come look at me. And click that bell so you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Are y'all ready? Let's go! Anyway, so today I have some shoes. They are Buscemis, I think. I don't know if they're called Buscemis. I don't know. Anyhow, I got some, whatever they are, because I wanted them. So they came in this box. This is just the regular box, but of course I had a shopping bag. I got these from the Barney's store, Barney's, New York. And I was able to get these. They had them, my size, all of that. But I love this box. It's green, and I love yellow gold. So that box is pretty nice. It has Buscemi over here in gold. Then, of course, this is the front. This is the product details as well. All right. So what I have are some shoes, in case you did not know this is a shoe box. This is a shoe box, and they came in a dust bag. Not the best dust bag. My favorite shoe dust bag is definitely Saint Laurent, but I'll take it. I love dust bags, and I'm more concerned with what is inside. So what is inside? What is inside? What I have are some 100 millimeters. This is the color of whiskey, I believe. It's like a cognac color. So pretty neutral. And I love the gold hardware, the yellow gold hardware. And so these are my first pair. I got these in a, yes, these are whiskey. And this is a size 40 or a size US 7. They fit pretty good. I could have went down like a half size. They did not have one, so I grabbed these. But if I would have been anxious just to see what a half size down would have felt like, because I do like my shoes to be rather snug, so I feel secure. All right, so anyway, this is what it came in. It of course has the padlock on the back. I don't know if it's coming in or not. So it has the padlock. Love that. So yeah, it's really good. Smells amazing. So I've had my eye on a pair of these for a few years now. I just did not want to pay full price. Had a lot of opportunity to get these on sale, but just never did. So it was my birthday week and birthday trip, and I was like, why not just get them? Just get the darn things. Just get them. So that's what I did. I just bought them. I probably will wear these maybe in the summer, but I would maybe think these are more of a fall shoe, just because they're high tops and they're not light, but they are neutral color. So I'm definitely trying to purchase things nowadays that I'll get more wear out of, because in the previous purchases and in the past I would just buy like one-time wears, and then I would have to get rid of it. Wouldn't have to, but would want to, because I'm tired of it. And I want to get more neutrals and things that can carry me into seasons to come, that'll be more timeless and classic. So this is definitely one of those items. So follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I promise I'll be posting a picture whenever I wear them with me in these, so you'll be able to see how I wore them, and hopefully I wore them best. All right, well, that's all I have for you today. Until next time, until next video, I hope you are safe, that you are well, and that great things come your way. All right, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.